So last year we installed this fire hose reel and several others throughout the plaza, ensuring safety and reliability for every occupant. Alongside this, our team handled all inspection chambers, sanitary ware fittings, filtration tank installations, and both internal and external plumbing across the entire facility. Every detail was carefully managed from start to finish. It only needs a breath of fresh air to return and see our work standing strong, serving its purpose, and enhancing daily life for those in the building. Quality workmanship stands the test of time, and seeing others benefit from our dedication makes the effort worthwhile. For more content like this, do well to like, to share, and to subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram on SA Cadre Engineering Works, and you can also follow us on TikTok on SA Cadre Engineering Works. And if you do require our services, you can contact us on our website.